This is now the button compost that we've been preparing for 1 month now. I think this is the 35th day, but ideally with on the 28th days they are always very ready. So this one is ready for planting. We just going for the seeds, and we also the seeds and the bags for the mushroom bags, and then we're going to plant in the next 2 or 3 days. So this is a bales for 100. This is a substrate for 100 bales of wheat straw. We are using wheat straw as our medium of preparing the substrate. And as you can see now, it has fully decomposed. And for example, this was the lime and the gypsum that we put on the last stage. So once it is ready like this, the next thing we're going to do is to disinfect it and then put it in the bags, and then we can now put them inside the grow houses that we have. So we normally also do preparation of the substrate to farmers, for those who really need this, because this is what is mushrooms. This is the engine of everything. If you fail in the substrate, then everything is going to go wrong. So in mushroom farming, the three most common things in the farming is the substrate, and the next thing is the seeds, and the third thing is the hygiene bit of it during the management. So if the substrate fails, even if the seeds is good, it's going to fail. And even if the management is up to task, it's probably not going to work. And the same, even if the substrate is also good and the seed is bad, it also affects the mushroom. So those are the three areas that the farmers really need to take into consideration, and that is why some farmers prefer to have their substrate done to them. So we normally do from somewhere around 150 shillings to 250 per 5 kg bags of the substrate. That is there is an option whereby a farmer can choose to buy the substrate and other things like their bags, their seeds, and then they plant. Or we can also do the same. We can do the substrate. Once it's ready like this, we plant it, and then the farmers just pick it to do it in the house. Yeah, so that is the substrate bit of it. This is a 1 month affair that we normally train on what to do, and the mixing and the ingredient that you need for preparing the whole of this substrate. That is a training that takes almost 1 month, because you'll be told what is being used. Like, we use the wheat straw as the main medium, and then we supplement it with so many things like we have chicken manure, we have MOP, we have SSP, we have wheat bran, we have cotton seed cake, EMI, and many other things. So how to go during all those processes we normally have during our trainings.